I'm always asked why my bathroom is so fragrant, so here's the secret. That's right everyone, after this tip, you'll never spend money to leave your bathroom clean and fragrant. And for that, here's what you do. First, get a plastic bottle like this one, alright? Then add half cup of fabric softener inside the bottle, which gives us about 150 milliliters. Fabric softener in. After that, now we're gonna need baking soda. Let's add just 1 tablespoon here. Go ahead and put it directly in the bottle. Alright, we're also gonna need 1 lime folks, but make sure to use lime instead of lemon, as they are much more acidic. Let's cut it in half and squeeze it right into the bottle. And to finish, just add 1 glass of water, which gives us about 200 milliliters. So water in. And notice that the bottle didn't get full. And that's exactly what we want. Make sure not to fill the bottle. Alright, now let's close the bottle and turn it over like that. And now, with the help of some object, make a small hole right here. I heated up a screwdriver for this, but you can use whatever you prefer. And there you have it. It's ready, folks. Now let's get to the bathroom so I can show you how to use this. And here, this is what we're gonna do, guys. As the hole is here at the bottom of the bottle, let's turn it over like this. And now, it's gonna start to drip, right? But when you put it inside the toilet tank like this, the liquid will only come out whenever you flush it. Got it? So, every time you flush, the lime together with the baking soda, it's gonna clean your toilet. Also helping to kill bacteria and germs, which are usually responsible for bad odors, like urine smell for instance. And the fabric softener will also leave a fresh smell in the bathroom. So now, just put the lid back on. And every time you flush it, you will have all these benefits. See, a little bit of our mixture is already coming now, keeping the toilet always fresh and also fragrant. So that's it everyone, try this at home. I'm pretty sure you're gonna love the result.